Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you want to appear offline on WhatsApp and keep your last scene hidden, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap on the three dots menu icon at the top right corner and go to Settings. Look at this option called Privacy and tap on it. Now select Last Seen in Online. Then set both options to Nobody. For this, same as last seen. This hides your last seen time and your online status from everyone. Now let's go a step back. Now here, if you want extra privacy, you can also turn off read receipts so others won't see when you have read their messages. WhatsApp does not officially let you hide typing or recording status, but there are some tricks or third-party apps if you want. Just be careful with those. And that's how to appear offline on WhatsApp in 2025. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.